With BBQ Coach, you can save thousands of dollars with our amazing appliance package deals and DIY module frame kits. BBQ Coach is the #1 system in America. Keep watching to learn how we can save you the most money with the best products. BBQ Coach do-it-yourself frame kits make it fast and easy with our patent-pending welded tube corners and connectors. Bang! You can buy cement board for only $10 at Home Depot. Don't pay 3 or 4 times the price for someone to install cement board for you. Finished with beautiful materials. Wow, what an amazing outdoor kit. Here's the world-famous BBQ Coach 8-foot module. The fastest way on earth to build a barbecue island frame with our Welded Pro tube corners. These have welded tube corners for super strength. Hey, I'm going to put my whole 200 pounds on my competitor's steel track here. Oh no, look how cheap my competitor's steel track is. Now let's try the BBQ Coach steel track. Look at that, it holds a whole 200 pounds. Look at the difference. BBQ Coach and cheap steel from my competitors. What do you want in your barbecue island? Okay, now let's jump up and down on my steel welded tube corner. One of the strongest pieces of steel for any outdoor kitchen you can buy. Look at that. It can't break. You can't break a welded tube corner. It's the strongest one you can use. It can support heavy appliances, concrete counters, and stone veneer siding. Let's show how fast we can build an 8-foot module. Easy it slips into place over the tube corners. This 1,519 pounds of steel and put it on the BBQ Coach 4-foot module with welded tube corners for super duper heavy strength. Any homeowner can do this. You can save thousands of dollars on an outdoor kitchen. 70% of the cost is labor and 30% is materials. So the more you can DIY with your friends at home, the more money you can save. If there's parts of the job that you don't feel comfortable doing, you can subcontract those parts out. Maybe you're not good at tile, so you'll hire someone to do your tile counter. Or maybe you want someone to do your stone siding. But the more you can do yourself, the more you'll save, and you'll have more money for those appliance package deals that we offer. At BBQ Coach, our main business is the barbecue frames, but we also sell the appliances, so we can afford to give you the best price on a package deal with the frames and the grill, the doors, and drawers. So always come to BBQ Coach first and let us try to make you a good deal to save you money and build the outdoor kitchen of your dreams. Thank you.
Wow, BBQ Coach has awesome equipment. Man, that's a heavy lid. Wow.
I'm remodeling my backyard with BBQ Coach. I'm looking for something high quality that's gonna last. I'm going to buy the BBQ Coach package deal. Oh, these are really high quality framing. Wow, this is real strong steel.
People often ask me, how do you give such great package deals on these grills and appliances? Why are you so cheaper than everybody else on the internet? The reason why is BBQ Coach #1 business is the steel do-it-yourself frame kits. That was my passion as a contractor and builder of professional barbecue islands. I wanted to help people build their own outdoor kitchens and save money. The appliances and grills just came in afterwards as an extra revenue for my business. But I wanted to help people save money, and that's why I can give such great package deals, because you're buying my steel frame kits, my #1 product, so I can afford to save you some extra money on your appliances and make it all one big package deal for you, giving you the best price. If you're ready to build the outdoor kitchens of your dreams but need a little help on what to order from our website, come to BBQCoach.com and click on shopping list up here on the top right above the banner, and that'll take you to a page where you can pay $10, send in your drawing to our BBQ Coach assistants, and they'll send you back a complete list of parts that you can pick from our website. We also have free catalog. If you scroll down the page here, you come down to order a free catalog. That's a full color catalog with a lot of information that can also help you to order. If you're not sure what kind of design you want on your barbecue island, we recommend you come to the drop down menu over here, shop all departments, and come down to the frame kits, and then scroll over to the one that says plans. And that'll take you to a page where we have a whole bunch of L islands, straight islands, U islands, with beautiful pictures and drawings of what they look like, that you can get a starting point of what you want to build your outdoor kitchen to look like. Thank you. With the BBQ Coach system, it's easy to design your own outdoor kitchen. Here we are in a backyard, and we got our measuring tape, and we're going to plan an outdoor kitchen here in just a few minutes. We know that we want to have an island down this wall here because we got the gas stub. So we pull out our measuring tape and we decide how long we want it. Let's say we decide 8 feet here. So we know it would just be 2 4-foot modules to make an 8-foot island. Let's say we want 9 feet. 9 feet, we could use a combination of a 4-foot module and a 5-foot module. 10 feet, we could use 2 5-foot modules to get this done. Now let's say we want to make a return out here, make an L island. We could go ahead and measure out from the side of the house here. And let's say we want to come out 8 feet again. Well, we know that we're going to butt this frame up against that straight frame. So we would deduct the 32-inch depth of this module because we're going to butt a module up against the side here. So we take 8 feet, 96 inches, minus 32, and that's how we know how much left we have. So maybe we get a 5-foot module, and if it's a little bit too long, we can always trim it down. To make a custom length module, it's very easy. Before you assemble the module, you just take these 4 length wall tracks and cut them down to any length you want to make a shorter module. So it's that easy to customize the length of your islands. But try to plan a length that is equal to a combination of 4 and 5-foot modules so you don't have to do any cutting. That's really our main goal this year, is we want to make a system that you don't have to do any cutting or just very, very little cuts. Makes it the fastest, easiest system in America. You can do it with the BBQ Coach system. Now here I've assembled a 4-foot module. It comes with the 4-foot long length wall tracks. They're 48 inches and they fit in between the 28-inch depth welded end frames that are heavy duty and super strong. So that gives you a total length here of 51¼ inches long with the end frames. Now when I'm working on a job site, I always like to start at the corner of the space with my first assembled module. So we'll pretend this is the corner of our patio. Now let's say we're going to go out this way. This first leg is going to be 12 feet or so. So I know that I can go ahead and assemble another one of these modules without cutting it. So I'll go ahead and take another module that I just assemble. I'll put that here and I'll clamp them together. Then I'll measure how much further it is down to the end of my space here with my measuring tape. Let's say, for instance, it's less than 4 feet. Let's say it's 3 feet. So before I assemble the next module, I'll cut the 4 length wall tracks down to the proper length to give me a custom fit on this last module. That way I have a perfect length island. Now let's say I'm going to make an L island. So now I'll go ahead and assemble another module and put that in here. If I need something shorter here, like 3 feet, I would have cut these tracks first before putting this one into position. Now let's pretend we're going to make a U island, and we go ahead and take another 4-foot module to make a return. I'll just butt it up against the end here. So that way I have a nice space here for working on both islands. You can tell that this is a nice space, enough room to work. Now, let's say I want to come another module out. I go ahead, assemble another one, as long as I know I got enough length. Like so. And now I can measure down to the end of my space before I assemble the next module. And then I would go ahead and do the same procedure. I would cut my length wall tracks before assembling the last module on this leg for a nice perfect fit. Now go ahead and you can tell here when you butt up a module on the end here, you're losing usable space, you see. So for instance, let's say we want to put some drawers here. You're going to have to put a stud on the right side and a stud on the left side. So that's only going to leave you enough space here for maybe vertical drawers or a 14 by 20 vertical door. You're not going to be able to fit too much when you butt a 4-foot module up against another 4-foot module like that. So keep that in mind when you're planning your design here on L and U islands. The best way to cut steel studs and track is with a dry chop saw. This is a 14-inch, which is the standard size, and they also have a 6-inch size at Harbor Freight for as low as $40. A 14-inch is around $99. This is a DeWalt. It costs about $200 because we do a lot of cutting here. Now we're going to take our 4 length wall tracks that we want to cut down for the grill. We put them all together at one time, put them on the chop saw. We take a sliding clamp to hold them together nice and tight, and we make sure the end's flush. I take my hands and I push, make sure it's flush. Take the measuring tape to cut it out whatever size you want. We want 29 inches for the grill. We have a full safety shield, and we have our noise protection. Now on your chop saw, you're going to have a vice clamp here that holds this down. Make sure you use that for safety. We removed ours because I've been doing it for 20 years and I have to make special cuts if that gets in the way. But for you, you want to use that clamp. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this.